Dingyuan Company is professional manufacturer of extruded type plastic night machine, have top technology in China and own many patents in this field. Our diamond mesh machine and square mesh machine choosing one extruder and modular control, low cost, more steady, more flexible and more efficient, easy to operate and need less worker will easy bring benefit. Very popular home and abroad. Our main product: plastic mosquito net machine, plastic gel net machine, plastic square net machine, plastic garden net machine, plastic safety fence machine, warning mesh machine, plastic bi-oriented net machine, plastic packing net machine, and plastic net pipe machine. The products can widely used in gel net, breeding, declaration, garden fence, safety warning fence, packing, protect sleeve, and so on. Thanks for watching. Welcome to contact with us if there is anything interesting.